The dumbass bitch named Wells that took my bag with no gun in it? Nah, bro, and I know you guys can't arrest me. Yeah, hold on, bitch, you got my shoes. You're under arrest. All right, I know I got your back. Get this phone off.
A man sits on the floor of an active airport security checkpoint. He refuses to move, he makes threatening statements on camera, he tells officers they cannot arrest him. What Washington state law says about each of these moments may surprise you.
Could you guys all back up, please? All of y'all? If we could just back up.
All that yapping. Where's my duffel bag, bro? I don't want to talk to you. You work for the CIA? Okay, you work for the FBI. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's go around. Thank you. Could you just be out of the way for a minute?
Do you want some money? Do you want your money?
I called about it earlier. You guys have it.
You got your ring camera. So make sure that records me so it lasts longer. So when it goes viral, the dumbass bitch named Wells that took my bag with no gun in it gets fired. That's my teacher, Mr. Cruz. You don't know him though. Okay, so look me up. Fuck, I know. Fucking what?
Do we know what bag was?
I have no idea.
You guys take somebody's bag.
So where was the bag?
It was by checkpoint 5 at the wheelchair seating area.
I know you guys
can't walk into the clear.
Do you hear yourself?
He's saying we took
Nah, bro, and I know you guys can't arrest me because
from that meeting.
this nigga's red because he didn't do shit about it.
Brother, I'm gonna ask you one
You're not
time.
asking
You
nothing.
need to
You
move,
grab
right?
me,
Can you
bro.
move out?
No, you can't.
Okay,
Can I get
we're
my
gonna
bag?
yeah, after
okay,
you
give
move
me
out
my
of the
bag
way.
and I'll get up. That's the only
You don't
deal
move,
I
we're gonna
have.
drag you right there.
All right, get my hand. Here.
Somebody grab you outside. Come on.
That's all being recorded, bro. It's good.
Why are you being difficult, man?
Why are you not getting my bag,
Why
boy?
won't you talk to us and explain what's going on?
Alright, you guys got the guns, not me. So text me so my dad can come talk to you guys with my lawyer. Try it. I wish you would. Exactly. You guys will never hear anything about it. Because you guys know my tribe's the biggest. My tribe's the biggest, and we got oil in my village. Chevron is my oil, nigga.
Sir, what is your bag?
What the fuck is you talking about?
You're not going to get any help.
Or what? You're white. You're not South Sudan. You're not no South Sudan soldier. You'll come to my country, boy. I'm in your country thugging it. You don't want to come to Juba. You don't want to come to Chitang County. You don't want to come to Young Guas, nigga. And Jigna. Don't let me speak my language because it'll get bad.
Do you want help?
So you want me to stand
Do
up?
you want help?
You want help?
I'm asking.
You want money? We got it all. Fuck.
Your bag is being returned.
Okay, so hurry the fuck up before I bring my cousin that works at Boeing that brings his lawyer. And then we both bring our lawyer. And then you guys, then stop talking, bitch. What the fuck are you talking about? Alright, I'm gonna come outside, bro. This is a quick link, but next time I come, you're
your
gonna
bag or
see
not?
70,000 people that look just like me. Mark
want
my
your
fucking
bag or
words.
you leaving,
nigga.
bro?
Look at him. When he get out in 3 years, I'm gonna tell him to go to your house.
Good, cool.
Yeah.
Hey.
And he gonna get locked up for an M.
Hold on. You want a bag?
Yeah,
or not?
yeah. And he gonna get locked up for an M.
Hold on. You want a bag or not?
Yeah. South Sudan versus the United States. South Sudan, yeah.
Do you want your bag? We're going to get it for you.
Young Guad, pull up. Gambella, Ethiopia versus South Sudan. Pull up. I'm a basketball player. I don't even shoot niggas. But I'll shoot off the court too, boy. Alright, let me make sure I get
We're getting your bag. It's down here. Let's go.
Yeah, it's 440.
Could you go
Hey,
around?
Nibble, let me call you
Thank
back.
you.
Did you record all this?
Go around, guys. No, go
They
around.
grabbed
You
me
see
and
we're
all
in the
that.
middle of
I already
something dynamic
recorded.
here? Go around.
Yeah, you're blocking the checkpoint area.
Let me,
Go.
go.
You want your
Dude,
bag as long
could
as
you
you're
yell?
yelling?
No,
Y'all got work.
go around.
Y'all got work at 11.
Let's go
And
down.
they just grabbed me. Let me show you the little Simone guy. We need to find his car. I don't know if he's from Tacoma.
Go get your bag. That's what you're saying you want. Go get your
Do
bag.
that. Do that.
Also,
Do this.
McIntyre. Do we know if
All
he's
you
a
gotta
flying
do is do this.
Yeah, I mean, he's
You know why he's red? You do this in this combat. I know law and order.
yeah, I mean, he's
Yeah, you know why he's red? This little short ass. I would have bitched you if you was out my school.
You're under arrest.
Alright, I know you. I would have bitched you if you was out my school.
You're under arrest.
Alright, I know you.
On your back. Get this phone off.
that's what he
This is what you want.
Yeah, I know.
Hands behind your back. Don't try nothing. Relax.
Hey, let him break my wrist. I see him touching my wrist. It's all recorded, dog. This is part of being the master manipulator.
He made threats to
No, the person
employees.
get a statement from them.
I want to talk to their president. We're going to talk to my president. And I'm going to get extradited. And I'm going to see y'all later. Feel me? Y'all got to realize I'm not born in Seattle, man. I'm born in Minnesota.
Yeah, let's
I fuck with the
let's get
Somalis,
him
man.
off to the
I'm
side.
going to go to Mogadishu next summer. I'm going to go to Mogadishu next summer, y'all.
Spread your feet.
Look, they gonna kill me right here. You feel me?
Okay.
Don't forget, they be doing these vaccine shits, and a lot of these, they gonna put me in the psych ward like 3 days ago. They already banned me in the casino in Auburn for no reason. Literally told them, bro. So all this is on camera.
Okay, let's go to 25. You wanna, since you're
I don't even know
taller.
why they ain't changed me, bro. They did that to black people. Hold on, where's my phone at? Alright, you want to go back to it?
Don't make it, man. Don't make it any worse than it has to be.
Okay, I'm gonna go down.
I'm gonna be in Ab 57, so I should be out in like a week. Alright, am I sitting down here or you gotta come to the door?
Have a seat. Go ahead, have a seat.
Alright, what we talking about here? We don't have nothing to talk about, sir.
Swing your legs. Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Alright, hold on, let me. No, I'm literally, I can't move my.
You can be alright. You can do
Alright,
it.
let me move your wrist so I don't do this. Okay. And then, where are we?
So these are the ladies, about 3 of them. He caused alarm. He came up to him, was flexing like this, and then pressed a slap and shoot, and then break a computer.
Yeah, he was trying to break the phone.
At any point, did you guys feel like your life was threatened? Because you're gonna have to go to court if you say yes. Make sure we're not prodding you or anything.
No,
Did you feel like your life was threatened?
Do you think it was a joke or serious, right? Serious?
Oh no, it was.
That's what we're trying to get at. Okay.
Yeah, it was.
That's what we want to make sure. Not like, ha ha ha.
Did he
I'm standing over here on the phone. He's like, you're gonna be the first.
You're gonna be the first one to shoot. I'm gonna shoot.
How that make you feel?
I'm not saying. He was on the phone telling somebody he was gonna come. He said, "Come on, all y'all come over here." And then he said, "Come tell my 30 cousin."
Did it seem serious?
Yeah, he
You
was.
believed it, right? On camera. You believed it? Okay. All right, my partner's gonna collect your information. We're gonna go for felony level then, okay? That means you're gonna get contacts from detectives and whatnot. Okay? Any questions so far before I leave?
Washington Revised Code Section 9A84.03 defines disorderly conduct as intentional obstructing pedestrian traffic without lawful authority. An airport security checkpoint qualifies as a protected pedestrian pathway under this statute. Sustained occupation of that area after lawful officer commands satisfies the offense. The subject claimed diplomatic immunity based on tribal origin and foreign national status and asserted that officers lacked authority to arrest him. Under the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations of 1961, immunity requires formal accreditation by the United States Department of State. No such accreditation existed. The Port of Seattle Police hold full arrest authority within the port jurisdiction. Virginia v. Black 538 U.S. 343, decided in 2003, established that true threats fall entirely outside First Amendment protection. A true threat is any statement conveying a serious expression of intent to commit violence. General insults directed at officers are protected speech. Specific threats of physical harm are not. Counterman v. Colorado 600 U.S. 66, decided in 2023, refined the standard. Prosecutors no longer need to prove the speaker intended the statement as a threat. Tacit, reckless disregard for whether the statement would be perceived as a genuine threat is sufficient. This ruling lowered the prosecution threshold for criminal threat cases nationwide. The statement "I will shoot off of court too" was made in a public space in front of witnesses while in contact with law enforcement. Under the Counterman standard, the speaker's claimed intent does not control the analysis. The operative question is whether a reasonable person hearing those words would have feared physical harm. Washington Revised Code Section 9A.46.02 defines criminal harassment through 2 required elements. First, a knowing threat to cause bodily injury immediately or in the future. Second, the statement must place the victim in reasonable fear. The threat will be carried out. Under subsection 2B, the offense elevates from a gross misdemeanor to a Class C felony when the threat is to kill. Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386, decided in 19,989, holds that the reasonableness of force must be assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Sustained non-compliance combined with on-camera threatening statements provided objectively sufficient grounds for custodial arrest under this standard. Legal lesson in a criminal harassment prosecution under RCW 9A.46.02, witness testimony establishing the victim's fear is not supplemental evidence. It is a required statutory element of the offense. Securing independent witness accounts at the scene preserved the most critical component. Practical lesson, statements made on camera before law enforcement carry no expectation of deniability. The true threats doctrine applies regardless of whether the speaker frames the words as hyperbole, frustration, or performance. Under countermin, the speaker's intent is no longer the controlling factor courts examine. Officers declared on camera this case would be pursued at the felony level. Multiple witnesses confirmed genuine fear for their safety. The statutory elements appear to be present, but in criminal proceedings, what appears clear and what courts decide are not always the same. Can a sports metaphor become a felony threat under Washington criminal law? Does the First Amendment shield statements made in anger inside a federal security zone? What grade do the officers actually earn under use of force standards? The full legal analysis answers questions the footage alone cannot.